This is Chandrasekhar Bimoji. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Thank you. Today we are going to discuss next topic, that is fifth one, segmentation. So what is segmentation? Fifth one is what? Segmentation. Okay na? So segmentation nothing but what? The serial repetition of similar organs, tissues, cells or body cavities. The serial repetition of similar organs, tissues, cells and body cavities. Best example, let me give the example: Arthropoda, Annelida, Chordata. When you observe from cockroach and earthworm, okay na? So the Arthropoda, Annelida, Chordata, these are the animals are suitable examples for segmentation. Segmentation nothing but body is divided into segments. Okay na? That is called segmentation. Formation of segments. Body is divided into segments and formation of segments is called segmentation process exhibited by Arthropoda, Annelida, Chordata. Next topic is what? Notochord. Notochord, it is a solid rod-like structure present in embryonic stage actually. Notochord is a solid rod-like structure present in embryonic stage actually. Further it will develop into backbone. Let me take human being or man as an example. In case of man, what happens is at embryonic stage, solid rod-like structure notochord is present. Not only notochord, but also we can observe presence of nerve cord. Notochord further will develop into backbone. Nerve cord will develop into spinal cord. Nothing but notochord is replaced by backbone. Nerve cord is replaced by spinal cord. At embryonic stage, we can observe the presence of notochord and nerve cord. Only this is the example for man only. Based on presence or absence of notochord, animals are of two kinds: non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates, in which notochord is absent. Non-absent, chord, notochord is absent. There is no notochord, so there is no development of backbone. There is no formation of backbone. Notochord is absent, hence these are non-chordates. Best example from phylum Porifera to phylum Hemichordata. Porifera to Hemichordata, these all are kept under non-chordates. Why? Because they do not having backbone, they do not having notochord, isn't it? Notochord is limited to embryonic stage only. Further it will develop into backbone. So notochord absent, there is no backbone, so these are non-chordates. Nerve cord is present. Now chordates in which notochord is present. Chordata, chorda, notochord, eta, having notochord is present. Further it will develop into backbone. So chordates in which notochord is present. Best example, chordata, phylum chordata, in which nerve cord also present. This is the presence of notochord and nerve cord. So based on the presence or absence of notochord, animals are of two kinds: non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates in which notochord is absent, chordates in which notochord is present. Notochord, it is a rod-like solid structure. It is limited to embryonic stage only. In case of human being, what happens is notochord is replaced by backbone, nerve cord is replaced by spinal cord. Notochord, nerve cord, these are limited to embryonic stage only. After birth, notochord will develop into backbone, nerve cord will develop into spinal cord. This is the notochord presence and absence. Take a screenshot. So let me give the comparison between the invertebrates and vertebrates, isn't it? Invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates, what is the difference between invertebrates and vertebrates? Let me give the difference between these two. How do they differ each other? Invertebrates and vertebrates. Concentrate here. Very simple. Invertebrates and vertebrates. What is the difference between invertebrates and vertebrates? Invertebrates in which notochord may present or absent. Invertebrates in which notochord may present or absent. Vertebrates in which notochord is present. Notochord is present. Concentrate here. Invertebrates in which notochord may present or absent. Vertebrates in which notochord present. Invertebrates in which backbone is absent. Vertebral column, also called backbone. Backbone is absent. Vertebrates in which vertebral column, backbone is present. Based on this concept, they are called invertebrates and vertebrates. If backbone is absent, they are invertebrates. If backbone is present, they are vertebrates. Okay na? Invertebrates in which nerve cord is present, but it will not develop into spinal cord. Vertebrates in which nerve cord is present will develop into spinal cord. Okay na? So mainly invertebrates, best example, non-chordates in which notochord is absent, backbone is absent. Protochordates in which notochord is present, backbone is absent. Notochord is present in protochordates. Notochord is present. Further, it will not develop into backbone. Notochord is present at embryonic stages. It is limited to embryonic stage. Vertebrates in which what happens is, best example, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. These are under vertebrates. Let me give the conclusion. What is the difference between invertebrates and vertebrates? Invertebrates in which notochord may present or absent. Vertebrates in which notochord is present. Invertebrates in which backbone is absent. Vertebrates in which backbone is present. Backbone also called vertebral column. Invertebrates in which nerve cord is present. Further, it will not develop into spinal cord. Vertebrates in which nerve cord is present. Further, it will develop into spinal cord. So this is the major difference between invertebrates and vertebrates. One saying is there: all vertebrates are chordates. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. All vertebrates are chordates. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Why? Because protochordata in which notochord is present, but there is no presence of backbone. So all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. This is Chandrasekhar Bimoji. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Thank you.